Most important A1 irregular verbs. To start, anfangen, to call, anrufen, to begin, beginnen, to get, bekommen, to stay, bleiben, to bring, bringen, to think, denken, to allow, erlauben, to invite, einladen, to recommend, empfehlen, to decide, entschieden, to eat, essen, to drive, fahren, to fall, fallen, to find, finden, to drink, trinken, to have, haben, to go, gehen, to find, finden, to read, lesen, to write, schreiben, to help, helfen, to know, kennen, to fight, kämpfen, to come, kommen, to can, können, to let, lesen, to run, laufen, to fly, fliegen, to like, mögen, to lay, liegen, to stop, halten, to sit, sitzen, to do, tun, to cook, kochen, to search, suchen, to see, sehen, to be, sein, to sleep, schlafen, to close, schließen, to open, öffnen, to taste, schmecken, to sing, singen, to stand, stehen, to speak, sprechen, should do, sollen, to meet, treffen, to wash, waschen, to clean, putzen, to order, bestellen, to live, wohnen, to pay, bezahlen, to love, lieben, to pack, einpacken, to pass, bestehen, to understand, verstehen, to forget, vergessen, to wear, tragen, to pull, ziehen, to push, drucken, to connect, verbinden, to shop, einkaufen, to dance, tanzen, to smoke, rauchen, to solve, lösen, to pick up, abholen, to bath, baden, to use, benutzen, to print, drucken, to welcome, willkommen, to earn, verdienen, to tell, erzählen, to repeat, wiederholen, to introduce, vorstellen, to study, studieren, to rain, vegan, to cut, schneiden, must do, müssen, be permitted, rufen, to replace, ersetzen, to describe, beschreiben, to support, Unterstützung,